Hello everyone, welcome to Medical Korea Academy E-Class 2024. My name is Hyuk-Jun Lee, a chairman of Korean Surgical Skill Study Group. From 2020, with the support of Korea Health Industry Development Institute, we operated the Medical Korea Academy E-Class every year. The title of this year's program is Minimally Invasive Surgery. In this curriculum, you can learn basic and technical issues of all fields of minimally invasive surgery. First day session is composed of laparoscopic instrument, basic MIS technique, bleeding control during MIS, and basics of robotic surgery. In second day, you will experience minimally invasive gastric surgery, colorectal surgery, and hernia surgeries from the basics and advanced. Last day, we will present minimally invasive biliary surgery, liver surgery, and thyroid surgeries. I believe this program will provide an updated and comprehensive knowledge and experience to all of you. Please enjoy the Medical Korea Academy E-Class 2024. Thank you.